You might not be able to read this sign because it's backwards, but it says the Nutcracker. My buddy Justin used to call it the Ball Crusher. We're gonna go see the Ball Crusher. Some people don't like to wave to other bikers, but I do. Hell, mopeds, I wave to them. Trikes, you name it. Why? Because I'm damn happy to be on my motorcycle, that's why. Some people don't like riding the highways. I love it. Why? Because everybody's going in the same direction for one, so it's not as dangerous as people think. Hell, you're more likely to get T-boned in a shopping center than you're on the highway. You're not going to get T-boned. Worse, you might get sideswiped. Sometimes I like the country roads too, of course. We've got those out here, but country roads, you got to remember, you're going to come across leads and cattle guards and all kinds of who knows what. Horse. Here's something that I think a lot of smaller channels, guys, where we tend to mess up, and I'm guilty of it. At first, I was guilty of it, and even now from time to time I have to remind myself, never compare your beginning to somebody else's middle. In other words, don't compare yourself to the big guys. Damn, we suffer from that perception that we're not doing as well as we should. You know, when we look at the big guys, people with, you know, 20,000, 70,000, million subscribers, those guys been at it for a while, and they've learned the lessons, and they've made the changes already. But you forget, hey, let me go back and look at some of their first few videos. How much did those videos suck? And they might have a lot of views now, but that video's been up for 3 years. Yeah, it's all good, man. Do it for fun. Damn, look at this. People, come down to San Antonio. Just get down here somehow, some way. Take a train, take a bus, get on the Greyhound. We'll figure out how to get you a bike. So a little highway riding tip is, yeah, ride in the fast lane. Why? Because you only have cars on your right-hand side if you're in the fast lane. And if it goes down, if the stuff goes down, you know, if something weird happens, you've got this entire area right here that you can pull off into. Now, here's the danger, though, is that anything that's fallen into the road, be it, you know, a mattress or busted tires or who knows what else, it's usually going to end up getting pushed to the side of the road. That little highway tip, trucks like this, I hang back until there's a spot open in front of him, and then I hit the throttle and pass him up real quick. I'm not trying to be on the side of this dude. This part is real screwy, because you got people getting off the highway up here, and you got me and this group getting on. So it turns into this little X right here where we're all kind of blending in. So get me real careful here. Let this homeboy go by, and then I'm going to speed up and get the hell out of here. That situation gets real messy sometimes. There we go. Highway stall, baby.